Chia seeds help to detoxify the body because of its contents of fiber and antioxidants. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and may help to reduce the risk of heart diseases. About 1½ tablespoonful of chia seeds twice a day may confer optimum health benefits. It is highly recommended to get an individualized counsel from a registered dietitian in case of any underlying health condition. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, a mineral known for its important role in formation and proper maintenance of the structure of our bones and teeth. Chia seeds can help lower cholesterol. Due to its high fiber concentration, chia absorbs water, forming a gel that is able to expand in the stomach and provide a feeling of satiety. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats appear to help lower blood pressure and heart rate, improving blood vessel functions, lowering triglycerides, and may ease inflammation. Chia seeds contain high-quality plant-based protein. Chia seeds are a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Chia seeds are an excellent source of B-complex vitamins such as thiamine and niacin, which play a role in the growth, development, and functioning of our cells. The daily intake of chia seeds recommended for adults is 2 tablespoons, which weighs approximately 15 grams each. Chia seeds can be as a pudding when hydrated with milk or fruit juice or in dry form, added to smoothies, juices, yogurt, oatmeal, or salad. Since chia seeds absorb liquids, it is necessary to stay well hydrated when consuming them. Chia seeds are a heart-healthy food. They are an excellent source of fiber, providing 7 grams per 2 tablespoons. Daily consumption of dietary fiber from plant foods can help reduce serum LDL cholesterol, thereby potentially lowering the risk for heart attack or stroke. A high-fiber diet also supports healthy bowel function. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense and support overall health. They are particularly useful for individuals on strict vegan or vegetarian diets who may not consume enough omega-3 fats, iron, or protein. Chia seeds are exceptionally rich in health-promoting monounsaturated fats and the essential omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid (ALA). Just 2 tablespoons provide over 3 grams of omega-3 fats, which improve heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, preventing blood clots, and decreasing chronic inflammation. 2 tablespoons also provide 3 grams of protein and 3 grams of iron. There is no recommended daily value for chia seeds, however, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is a worthwhile addition to one's diet. Chia seeds can be added whole to salads or oatmeal, or they can be used as a thickening agent for puddings or jams, for example. Individuals just starting to add high-fiber foods to their diet should start with smaller amounts, half a teaspoon, and increase gradually once accustomed to the extra dietary fiber.